Welcome back, first grade. We are continuing our work with our superhero projects this week. So last week we went ahead and colored our superheroes in. So for this week, we're actually going to set the superhero off to the side because what we're going to do is make a really awesome superhero background for the person that you have created today. So what you need is a piece of white paper. I have a pencil eraser, also a Sharpie, and you'll also want to have some paint with you. Watercolor will work really well. In class, we'll be using tempera cakes. So our background, we kind of want to help make it look like a superhero comic book background. So I want you to imagine maybe in a comic book where everything is kind of bursting out from the middle, and that's where your superhero is going to be. So this is what I'm going to recommend doing. Make a mark right in the middle of your paper, and then we are going to draw some lines just like this. Don't make them too skinny, that extend all the way out to the edges of your paper. Okay, so that helps create that really fun effect, like your superhero is going to be jumping out at us. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab my Sharpie, and I am going to go over all of these lines, but I'm also going to add some pattern to a couple of my spaces as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and catch up with you in just a moment. All right, so I went over everything with Sharpie, and you can see I added just a couple polka dots to some of the areas on my superhero background. So I set my drawing supplies aside and I got out the paint. I have a water cup off to the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint this in. I'm gonna keep it really simple. Each part is just going to be a different color. Once you finish with this, set your painting aside, let it dry, and we'll be finishing up with our superheroes next week.